hungry and I can't climb breadfruit tree, dog. No bamboo on that tree.
Brother, you know, say me so nasty now left no bamboo on there.
So climb in that.
No, yeah, you climb. You want me to drop out time?
My boy, I see you walk this guy, I can't pick breadfruit, but now I see you come catch you then, brother.
You see your brother, hurry up,
no man, breadfruit now pick man. Tell the man catch your breadfruit and make breadfruit drop man, you make sure you know about sign of dog.
Moments later.
Kiss me backside. And I'm in breadfruit then gone.
And I heal your son. You see breadfruit on the pit this morning? Make sure it's on the carry back, I poison.